everyone, and welcome back. If Buffer isn't posting to Instagram or your scheduled Instagram posts keep failing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Buffer Instagram posting issues in 2026 using a Windows PC or Mac. Let's get started. First, log in to your Buffer account and open your Instagram channel. Check whether your Instagram account is still connected. If you recently changed your Instagram password or updated your Meta account security, the connection may have expired. If the account is disconnected, click the option to reconnect it. Sign in to your Instagram account again and grant all requested permissions so Buffer can publish posts successfully. Next, make sure your Instagram account is set up correctly. Some Buffer features require a professional Instagram account connected to a Facebook page. If you're using a personal account, certain publishing features may not be available. Now, review your scheduled post. Make sure the image or video meets Instagram's supported size, format, and file requirements. Unsupported media files can cause publishing to fail. If your caption contains too many special characters, broken links, or unsupported formatting, edit the caption and try scheduling the post again. Next, check your internet connection and refresh the Buffer dashboard. A stable connection is required for syncing your Instagram account and publishing content. If the issue continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies, restart the browser, and sign back into Buffer. You should also try using another browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. Sometimes browser-related issues can prevent Buffer from communicating properly with Instagram. Make sure your